Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make chicken and vegetable spring roll. Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Now we're going to show you how to make chicken spring rolls. It's very easy and simple. First of all, we're going to put some oil in a pan. A little bit of ginger, a little bit of garlic, now we're going to add our chicken. Viewers, now I will going to put our carrot, bit of cabbage, bit of mushroom, bean sprout, spring onion, green pepper, red pepper, look at the beautiful color we got them. Oh, they look really colorful. Look at them, how beautifully they are cooking. Now we're going to add some soy sauce. This is the light one, it's just for the salt. We're going to put some dark one for the color and the flavor. We add a little bit of oyster sauce. And we're going to add a little bit of sesame oil to bring that beautiful nutty flavor to it. Now I'm going to add a little bit more salt and a little bit pepper. Viewers, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour with 2 teaspoons of water. We mix them together. We're going to add it to it. So what is going to happen, if there is any water content to it, they're not going to be water. So when you're going to roll the pastry, there will be no water to it. Look at that. There is no water whatsoever because the chicken is some water. The vegetable is full of water. Now you can't see any water whatsoever. Viewers, we put it in a plate. We let them cool down. Until they cool down, we're not going to roll it. We're going to roll it when they're going to be really cold. Okay? We're going to keep it for a while. Viewers, we show you how to roll them. That's the one. Now we're gonna fry them. Viewers, that's our beautiful spring rolls. We're gonna fry them now. Viewers, we're gonna fry them now. Viewers, look at that, how beautiful they look. In another 30 seconds, we're going to take them off. Viewers, we're going to take them off. Look at that, how beautiful and crispy they look. Wow. Viewers, that's my beautiful, yummy chicken spring rolls. Chicken and vegetable spring rolls. Yum. Viewers, that's my yummy and delicious spring rolls. Wow, they look really, really lovely and delicious. Enjoy and bon appetit.